Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful, elegant, colorful spring centerpiece that it's round but it's kind of oval shape. You can use this for any occasion that 10 to 12 people sit around the table. You can use it on round table or you can use it on rectangular oval table. We have to mention that it has to be over 10, 12 people to be large because it's not going to be above or block the view for conversation. This arrangement I used about 2 bunches of ranunculus, some eucalyptus, some 2 or 3 bunches of spray roses, 1 dozen of regular rose, and 1 bunch of green mist. Let's make together. As always, I create my structures of design. It's not round, it's not oval, it's both shape, round and oval, I should say different shape. So I have this container, this is about 11-inch wide, round. You don't need lumi or plastic or liner dish to add. You can just put your foam and no tape because this has some kind of edge, so will hold your foam together and your flower together. So my shape is kind of going out but also round. I do with hydrangea, very nice. I create my shape with hydrangea and I love this hydrangea to go different angle up and down. So we create round shape, kind of oval. I am going to use some pink roses. Very nice. No need to be open. They will open gradually by itself. So we go in between everywhere, between hydrangea. We will fill up this area. Only take the guard out. You don't need to open. You can go higher than your hydrangea or in between hydrangea, however shape that you like to create, oval, round for centerpiece. Or you can use as a stage arrangement anywhere that you can use, or even just because you can send this arrangement as an anniversary or birthday. I go in between. So basically see where I am going to fill up in between all of this area. We make sure to make it nice and full. I think I am using about 1 dozen rose, 5 hydrangea, 1 dozen of spray roses. Little by little I tell you that what we are going to use. Closest to my hydrangea, it's better. I'm gonna use my beautiful ranunculus, at least 2 bunches. They are full and nice, as you see. Gorgeous spring centerpiece. You go in between again, between hydrangea. This beautiful ranunculus are very fresh from farm that I am using for all my greenery and spring flower. Fresh ranunculus, and I loved it. Gorgeous pale color. I'm gonna add some greenery to show my shape, not perfect round that we always use. It's nice to show different odd shape. This greenery, baby eucalyptus, they are very beautiful, smell good. So maybe 4 stem in 4 corner. I want this here, so I want to cut it a little bit shorter to go in center. Now I'm gonna use my nice green mist. Green mist is also very nice. Not to cover mechanic, this is not filler, can be part of our design. They show very nice. They show their beauty, very nice. Anything you do in front, make sure you do in both sides and also back. They need to be exact in order to have your design balanced and perfect. Try to put your arrangement while you are making on tray, Lazy Susan, to be able to see every corner of your arrangement. I love this one. I'm gonna go here. Now I'm gonna add some white spray roses everywhere. Okay, so I'm going with spray roses almost everywhere. Trim your spray roses any way that you want to make sure show their beauty. They don't have guard, but they have some petals that needs to come out. I love spray roses. They are perfect filler, but not necessarily they can be used as a filler. They can be as a secondary. They are very nice. They open beautiful, so why not to use them as a secondary? Not primary. I don't use them as a primary. Unless your arrangement doesn't need larger flower, you want to use only a smaller flower, then maybe you can use as a primary to create shape. I will go everywhere again and make sure that we are nice and full everywhere. I see some hole here. I'm gonna use this beautiful Dusty Miller, but I like to use some more of this beautiful ranunculus. Why not to use more? We are just covering more as much as we can. I can go here. Now I'm gonna use Dusty Miller. Dusty Miller are short because it's after winter. However, I still can use them. Very beautiful. Okay, so I think I am ready to finish it, which is the shape is good and all my flowers are everywhere. I have to say that I used 2 bunches of ranunculus, 2 bunches of spray roses. Each bunch is 10 stems. 1 bunch of green mist, 5 hydrangea, 1 dozen of pink blessing rose, and half a bunch of baby blue eucalyptus. Okay, this is our finished project. Thank you for watching. And as you see, it's nice and colorful spring flower arrangement. If you like to learn more, please check us at minadesignschool.com. Subscribe this channel, and thank you for your comment.